So, you just started streaming and you're thinking to yourself, time to make so much money, right? Well, I hate to break it to you, but you're probably not going to make that much money when you're first starting off in streaming. My 1 year as a Twitch streamer is coming up very soon, and my 1 year as an affiliate is also coming up. And I thought it'd be a cool idea to show you guys what my first Twitch payout looked like when I first got affiliate on Twitch. I'm gonna go over how much I made in my first month and kind of give you an estimate as to how much I make now on Twitch. We're also going to talk about why you should not be doing this for the money in the first place. So if you're not interested in that, I guess click off the video. But if you are doing Twitch streaming not for the money, stick around the video and let's talk about it. So if you like the video, leave a like down below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, hit the subscribe button. It shows me that you guys like these videos and you want me to make more of them for you. I also stream live on Twitch every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from noon to 4 Central Standard Time. We start every stream off in just chatting. So if you have any more questions that I didn't answer in this video, hop on by the stream, hang out, and we can talk more about it. And guys, I just want to say thank you. If you haven't noticed, I just hit 500 subscribers on YouTube, and I am so freaking grateful. We started a channel maybe about half a year ago, I think, and to hit 500 subscribers already has just blown me away. It really shows me that you guys like my content and that you want me to make more of it. My main goal when I first started streaming and this YouTube channel is just to help people. And that's what I'm going to continue to do, is just help people. If I can help at least one person with a video or whatever, I'm doing my job. And I'm going to continue to help people because I think the world needs more of that. We should be in this together, not against each other. So thank you guys again for the 500 subscribers. My goal for this year is to hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm hopeful. But if we don't hit it, that's okay too. But anyway, let's just get into the video. Let's talk about money. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. You're not going to make millions of dollars your first month or even your first year on Twitch.
Come on, man.
Making money online is actually pretty easy, but I think people go into it with huge expectations of making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. Now, I'm not saying that's not possible. I know a few people who do that, but they are full-time content creators. They've established themselves on their platform or platforms, and they do make thousands of dollars per month doing what they love. But in my opinion, if you go into Twitch streaming with the idea or the mindset of, ooh, I'm gonna make a lot of money, or it's like a get rich quick scheme, I'm gonna tell you right now,
stop it. Get some help.
because you're going into it for the wrong reasons. Now let me explain real quick. Now, making money doing what you love is not a bad thing. But if you're going into it with, I just want to make money doing this, you're going into it wrong, and you might as well just quit while you're ahead because you're probably going to be disappointed with the amount of money you make. It's my firm belief that you should be doing this because you love it, or there's a bigger picture or a mission that you have. For me, it's always been this. I just want to help people. I want to motivate people, and I want to make people happy. And so I try to use this platform to help people, to teach them what I've learned, to teach them things so that they don't have to struggle like I did. But with doing that, money does come naturally, but I don't focus on it. Sure, you can go into this or into anything really with that money mindset, but I'm going to be honest with you, it's going to fizzle out quickly. You might be successful with making a ton of money doing something, but the money's not going to make you happy forever. It's not going to fulfill you because money comes and goes. To have an actual purpose and a mission, that's truly fulfilling. That will keep you going for a very long time, and you're going to be doing better things with that mindset versus all in it for yourself to make money off of it. But anyway, that's my long spiel on just not doing this for the money. That's not the point of Twitch. You should be using this platform to do bigger and better things. With the amount of money that I have made on Twitch alone over the past year, that is not a livable wage. Just to give you a ballpark, the amount of money that I made on Twitch in the last year is about the same amount you would make per month on average at a corporate level job at medium salary. So if you quit your job and you make that amount, you're not going to be able to live off of that. So don't quit your day job. But enough of that. I know you guys want to see how much money I made as a Twitch affiliate in my first month. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to break down where all of the income came from. and what you can expect starting off in streaming. All right, guys, so here we are on my channel analytics. I'm going to show you how much money I made personally in my first month as a Twitch affiliate. I started streaming on Twitch around March 16th, but I did not hit affiliate until April 23rd. And so what you can do, and if this is cool if you don't know how to do this, go to your channel analytics in your dashboard. If you don't know how to get there, just click on your profile picture in the top right, click on creator dashboard, and it'll take you to stream manager right here. And then from here, what you can do is you can go down to insights and then channel analytics. Once you're there, what you can do is you can click on the top where you see the date at, click on that, and then it'll bring you with the start date and the end date. So like I said, I became Twitch affiliate on April 23rd. So this was my first day. And then we're going to go to the end date and then do May 23rd, 2020 as well. And then click on update. And there you guys go. That is the amount of money that I made personally in my first month as a Twitch affiliate.
Wait a minute. Disappointed!
$211.12. Now, some of you might think, oh man, that's actually a good amount of money. And it is. And other people might think, wow, that's literally nothing. And depending on how you look at it, here's the thing. $211.12 is amazing, especially in your first month as a Twitch affiliate. But you do have to know one thing. You want to take your Twitch revenue, so this is the amount right here that would actually go into your bank account with your payout. But here's the thing. You want to divide this in half, and that's the amount of money you actually made. The reason I say that is because taxes. You need to at least be putting away 30%. I would suggest half of it just to be safe, because you never know, into a savings account. If you do not put away money for your taxes in the following year from your Twitch payouts, you're going to owe a lot of money. So you see $211, divide that in half, it's $105. But that's how much money I made in my first month. I only streamed about 60 hours and 22 minutes, as we see up here, with 39 subscriptions, 67 follows, and my average had hit 9.5. Now, if you scroll down here, it'll actually break down where your revenue came from. So in paid subs, these are non-gifted subs, people who actually just subscribe to you out of their pocket, it was about $22.98. With Prime subs, so if someone has an Amazon Prime subscription, they can use a Prime sub to sub for free through their subscription that they already pay Amazon. I made about $12.48 with that. Now, gifted subs, this is where a lot of the money came from. So I made about $64.84 off of gifted subs. Now, my friends, my community, my girlfriend are very generous people, and so that's why a lot of the money came from them, probably gifting to other people, celebrating my first Twitch affiliate stream. I made about 35 cents on ads. Now, personally, I do not run pre-roll ads. I just let it do its thing. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, you get hit with a 30-second ad before you view me, but I rarely, never honestly run ads. So I made 35 cents off of ads. With cheering, this is bits. So people can buy bits and cheer them in your channel. So actually, looking at this, this is where most of the money came from, was $78.47 from bits. And with bits, you keep most of the money with the split between you and Twitch. With a sub, it's 50-50. Twitch takes half, you take the other half of a Twitch sub. With cheering, you keep more of that money. And then I had $0 with game sales because I don't sell games. And then with extensions, you can see here, I made $32. Now, the extension that I was running was my soundboard, where people could use their bits on the soundboard to play a funny sound while I streamed. And I made $32 on that. And so that should kind of give you some insight as well. If you're not running extensions on your Twitch channel, you might want to do that, because you never know. People might want to just play a funny sound on your stream, knowing that it also supports the channel. And if you haven't watched my latest video, how to set up Twitch extensions, I actually show you how to set up that soundboard for your Twitch stream. So go check it out. But yeah, that's the breakdown of where all of the money came from, equaling out to $211.12, where I actually kept $105 because the other half went to taxes. So that's how much money I made in my first month as a Twitch affiliate. And I don't think you can live off of that amount. But I do want to say this, it's different for everybody. You might make less, you might make a lot more, but it's not always going to be the same every month. You're going to have your highs, you're going to have your lows, but it's not as much as you think. And guys, that's your money talk on Twitch. What did you think? Did you find some insight on this video? Was this video helpful to you? Let me know in the comments down below. Guys, if you have any more questions on money and content creation and Twitch, and I didn't answer them in this video, hop on by the stream, we can talk more about it, or leave a comment down below. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, and I'll catch you at the next one.